everyone. I know you saw that thumbnail. I just want to do something quick and refreshing. And a lot of people have been telling me, oh my God, Miss T, I can't see the weight loss. It's all in your face and everything. And I wanted to show you what I eat to help me get past the hunger. Because even though I be taking those appetite suppressants, sometimes your girl may go off key and I get a little bit hungry. And I make a fruit salad. It's nothing big. It's something simple the way I like it. So I have a watermelon, some strawberries, some canned mandarins, some bananas. This is what I use. You can make yours with kiwi. I mean, whatever type of fruit you like, melon, cantaloupe, whatever you want in yours. Cherries, grapes. I wanted some grapes, but I ain't had no money. I was like, damn, give me some grapes, because I ain't had the money. So, ooh. We're going to start with this. I do not like the rind. I'm sorry. So I always go in center. Look at that. And no, it's not. When I cut it open, I say it's not that red. But, and the cut size is up to you. Oh my God. It's not that red. But it tastes wonderful. It is. Ooh, this is sweet. And that's why I'm making this big old bowl. Because I already know the cameraman don't want something. I can finish. You know, she messing up the watermelon up. It's like I just dig into it. And I just give it to my kids. I give it to me. And what I normally do too, I'm going to cut it in half. I'll get all these juice. I should have had some, what's it called, newspaper? Ooh, look at them juices. This is sweet watermelon. It's not that red, but that sweetness is on point, honey. This is a whole watermelon, too. My other one. And what I do, too, is that I take freezer bags, and I place some in freezer bags with all my ingredients, and place them in the freezer bag. And sometimes that freezer bag will be my dinner. If I'm hungry, it will be my snack. You eat popcorns while you're looking at a movie? I eat a freezer bag of fruit while I'm looking at a movie. Lately these days. So, yeah, she's making a mess. I'm gonna put that one over there. Just the juices in it. And the crazy thing is I had no breakfast today. I think it's out like after 12 p.m. here in DC on a Thursday. You're getting this video today, Thursday. And I've been running errands this morning. Look at that. I want that juice. And like again, I don't like the rind. So to me, this is finished. If it's not, one of the kids will go ahead and soup it all up. So let me I need a paper towel. Get my rag. Yeah. I'm gonna eat them. It tastes so good. Mandarins, I drain them. Drain the juice off. Strawberries. I do them in threes. Cut off that green right there. Now, what I forgot to get when I went to the store is dried mint. Take some dried mint. You know, I always like something green. Y'all know how I am with parsley with my food. I'm with that way with the fruits. I already washed the strawberries off, guys. I'm like that with my fruit salad. I want something green in here just to bring it out. And oh my God, dried mint on top of this tastes so good. Unbelievable. Get you some dried mint. And this is my go-to thing when I get hungry. I'm putting my arm on top of my fruit. It's okay. I'm eating it. Now with the bananas, when I do my bananas, I don't place them in with the fruit because they tend to get soggy, whatever. So the bananas go on separate. I washed them off, but these leaves are in my way. Okay, these are the strawberries I want, just like a big kick or something. I got my spoon right here. This is it. You guys want to know what I'm doing to help me get off this diet? This right here. And normally I have some green grapes in here. Like I said, I didn't have any money for some grapes. Not gonna let that stop me. And this is what I eat. So basically what I do is that I take this in a small bowl right here, just like this. And I get some strawberries. I don't have no strawberries. Watermelon. I love mandarins. I put these in my salad, you guys. I think I could use a couple more strawberries in here. So what I do, then I take a banana. I make sure I get full. And I use a whole banana. And this literally fills me up. And I take a banana and I just chop it on top. Oh! One got lost. Man, damn. Somebody gonna eat this today. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that in there. Can't fit in my bowl. This is a mess. It's messy. It's a quick video on what I do to make it through. I'm gonna clean all this up really quick because it's too juicy over here. And we're gonna be right back to close out this video. Okay, this is it. I wiped off my little stand, guys. So this is what I eat. This is what I eat in between meals. And like, again, this will be my breakfast for today. And I would eat this probably with like 3 turkey sausages and a boiled egg and a bowl of fruit. But today, I'm just going strictly with this bowl of fruit. I'm still on my weight loss journey. I hope you guys continue to follow me. Hope you guys are doing the same thing. Damn, I'm hot. I got a sweating issue in this kitchen. And remember, if you could get some dry mint, sprinkle some dry mint on top of that. Not only that it's pretty, it just gives the fruit another flavor. Until next time, SoulfulT, I am out. I gotta go get some air. Like, share, and subscribe. I need some air.